Okay. Couple new Diode Dynamics, SL2 Pro, LED bulbs. Okay, I had these before. Okay. Just used them in my other car for a few years. These did not fit in the GX. So we'll see if these fit. Got the head open. I gotta remove this plastic to be able to reach down and hit the headlight. Pull those bulbs out. There's a little cover on them, so let's see what we can do. Okay, so this is obviously the passenger side. There's a gray cover. I'm rotating it. Okay. So it's open, turn to the left, so counterclockwise, right to lock. So I had already twisted it. Once you get that open, see the light is right there, so you just gotta reach in and swap it out. Okay. Twist it, pulls right out, just gotta disconnect it. Okay, got the passenger side out. Not bad for, let's see, 11 years old. So a new one. Get it connected and installed right there. Okay. So you start it at the top, this piece at the top. After you get the bulbs locked in, you do it the same direction, clockwise to lock it in. Okay. So now we're gonna do the same thing. On this side, I'm gonna put my watch off so that I can get back there because the battery's there. Okay, I'll have to excuse it for how dirty it is. It keeps raining here in Texas, but so we got the diode on this side, obviously, and then the factory on the right. Tell beam pattern. That looks very clean. Okay, like I said, same thing, only the opposite way. You can see that little housing in there. So first pull off the dust cover, pull up the light. Try and remember which orientation the what was that? Let me try again. This. Yeah, on this side you might want to take the battery out just to give yourself more space, but yeah, essentially you just do it in reverse order. It is a little tricky to get your arm in there, so if I took the battery out, it would have been a little easier. I was just impatient. I got the new one in, and we'll give it a test. Okay, got it all installed. It was cool, I should have showed you before, but at the end of the lights up here, there are little tiny fans to keep the LEDs cool, and you could tell they were well designed to allow airflow. So let's shut this and go see what it looks like on the street. All right, you can tell the beam is very clean cut, really nice cutoff line. I mean, you can tell by the trees. So this is just the headlights. Here's the high beam. So obviously the headlights stay on because the GX460 has them separated. I'm gonna kick on, those are my diode fog lights. So we can see left and right. They make a great addition when driving in low light situations, and honestly the stock GX headlights are so bad to begin with. This is a long-awaited upgrade. Really happy with it. I'm gonna pull up to the garage now so we can see the beam better. All right, there is the headlights. There's with the fogs. And there's the high beams. And obviously when you kick on the high beams, the fogs go away. Very nice beam. Really pleased with it. Check it out. I'm very happy with it, and yeah, Diode Dynamics SL2 Pros.